Welcome back. Today is day 3 of the project. It might not look like a lot of work was done today, but this was critical work that was done today. The footings were set. The forms were put in for the footing. The measurements were all taken. Everything was leveled up, perfectly graded to where it has to be for this property. All the lines are set. Everything is ready to go to pour the concrete to set the footings. And as you know, for any building or for anything in life, a good foundation is necessary. So this is critical. Everything comes off of these footings. It holds the house up, holds everything level, and keeps things from settling over time. Once the footings are put in, an inspection is required to make sure everything is up to code. Then the town inspector will give a green light to go and build a foundation up to the slab, and then we'll be off to the races with this project. As you can see today, it's raining out, and hopefully this rain doesn't last for more than a day or so, because we really don't want to lose any time in this project. This is going to be a tough project because we're coming off of COVID, so every day that we lose is going to be critical. So hope you enjoyed this short video. Thanks for tuning in, and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye now.